If you missed race 3 of the Triple Crown format at Glendale, that is Jett Lawrence riding off the side of the track with his leg dangling. And if you didn't see it, well, coming down the start straight in the third of the 3 races, he dabbed his leg to save himself from falling over, and there's the problem. He immediately pulled off the track, and you can see him here angry, probably in some serious pain, legs just dangling, it's not on the pegs, and yeah, not very good look. He went from right from there down the side track, up the, alleyway and back to the medical cart, like, didn't stop to pick up his mechanic, anything, just gone. And right after the race, we had I guess a semi update from Lars Lindstrom saying, quote, he just got a lot of pain he had never had before. He's never had any issue like that before. The same thing that happened to Ken Roxon at 2023 Salt Lake City when you had that feeling, and it's really scary coming from someone who has had a lot of knee injuries. It's an immediate feeling of pain. You feel a really awkward, weird pain. But after 3 initial looks from the doctors and Doc G and everything like that, it seems stable, so we are pretty hopeful that is just kind of a stinger. And if you've never had that before, it can be really scary and painful. I think that's what's happened here. At least that's what I'm hoping. Go get an MRI on Monday morning and see where we are at. Now, obviously, Monday morning will be as of today as you're watching this. So it's either going to be, what everyone seems to think, ACL injury, probably done for a while, or stinger. Hopefully that's the issue. Let's just hope it's it's a stinger. Maybe he'll miss a week or two. Maybe it's a sprained something, sprained knee. Who knows? I mean, obviously you can still race with an injured ACL. Ryan Brees is doing it this year in both Supercross and Arena Cross. But I mean, you can see him pointing down to it, grabbing it, and coming out of the medical cart. You can see him with a slight limp. So it's going to be one of those things. If it is injured, will he continue to race on it? Will he continue to, you know, take the pain and try and win a championship? Or is it, hey, let's stop this now, get surgery, get healing, and come back for outdoors and try and win that title, instead of racing for the rest of the year on a injured leg that could possibly get worse or, cause another accident. Who knows? We're all going to have to find out when and or if they release the update from it, whether that's either later today, tomorrow, whenever it's going to come out. I'm assuming probably sooner than later because he is, the poster boy at the moment, and everybody is going to want to know. But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. What do you think of this? Do you think if it is injured, he'll race for the rest of the year? Or do you think he'll take the time off? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.